Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about hair growth, how to stimulate hair growth, how to promote healthy hair growth. So really this channel, I wanted to be about hair growth, but since baby's coming along, I thought I would start sharing that process on the channel. And also I have my daughter who is at home with me. I'm teaching her at home, homeschooling her. She's 2.5, so I'm gonna be sharing all that on the channel. So thank you so much for checking out my channel. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for support. Thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I mix my grease with castor oil to promote hair growth. So I have this one, it's castor oil. You can get this from a dollar store or any beauty supply store. Okay, and then this one I got it for sure from the dollar store. That was only $1. It's the Blue Magic. Okay, so I'm gonna use a spoon of each of these grease, but if you don't have the two of them, you can just use one. Okay, here I have 1 spoon of that one. Okay, so I add it to a little glass bowl that I have, and then I take this one. I take a tablespoon as well, and I add it. Okay, and then I grab my castor oil. So this is what we have so far. Okay, then I grab my castor oil. This one I got it from an Indian store, but you can get castor oil from any drugstore, any beauty supply store, even Walmart. You can find castor oil there as well. So I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of castor oil to the grease. Okay, and when my daughter was a baby, all her hair fell off. I think because I was mismanaging it or something. I don't know if all babies, if their hair fall off. So her hair fell off, and she had severe dry scalp. And when I went to the doctors with her, they would not give me any um, ointments or anything to soothe the situation. So I was just really on my own, being concerned. So that's what I made, and it really helped her hair grow at a fast rate and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, you can mix it, you can stir it until it's all mixed together, or you can bring it to the microwave and let it melt and stuff like that. So that's what I did with this one that I'm gonna use. It's the same proportion as I said before. So what we'll do, I'm gonna use this applicator, okay, to go ahead through my scalp and spread the grease through it. Okay, so here's my hair. It's just in these jumbo 2-strand twists. Okay, okay, and I do have alopecia, so I've been doing some treatments and it's really growing. This is my new growth. Okay, so my wish is for it to completely go away. So I hope this pregnancy is gonna help me, and once baby's out, I intend to never ever ever again have alopecia. I think it's something that I can conquer. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm gonna be using this spray to wet my hair before I add the grease to it. I have this. It's papaya leaves that I boiled, and then I just strain it and added some to this. I use it on my daughter's hair. It does very well for our hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna spritz the hair real good. Okay, it helps with inflammation on the scalp. Okay, it helps releases stress and helps stop breakage and thinning of the hairline and stuff like that. And it really works, guys, because here this was completely bald. I had no hair in here, and I'm sure the pregnancy has helped as well to stop the hair from falling even further. But I've been using this for a month now, and I can attest that I've seen pretty good results. Now, I believe that it's better to use it fresh, as mine was made yesterday. Yes, mine was made yesterday. The one in the glass that gets air, it stays pretty fresh, but the one that's been closed in here, it's pretty fermented. And I don't think I like the smell of it being fermented. So anyway, um, I have some bald spot in the back as well. So, but I'm trying to address these situations to get rid of it. Wow, video is pretty long. So since my hair is already well parted, I'm just gonna go through like this and grab some grease and go through my scalp and put it through. Okay? Okay, so that's how we do it. What are you currently using on your hair to stop hair breakage or hair fall? Are you using rice water? I find these to be, I find the papaya water to be more nourishing to the hair than the rice water. And I've used rice water. It really works. It helps minimize hair breakage, hair thinning. But this one, it doesn't make the hair cling together. If you know what I mean, if you've used rice water before. Okay, so I just massage in the grease. And just like that. And I'll focus on my problem areas. Okay, so just like that. That's the length of my hair. Okay, so it's pretty good. I like it. I like it. So I'll just spritz this with some water. And then once I massage it in, I go through with my grease. Okay, and I take a generous amount. And then I'll go in the back, my nape area. And I'll put the grease through as well. Now yesterday I did do an oil for my daughter, but I can make another video to show how I grease her scalp using this mixture as well. So that's gonna be the next one to come. Okay guys, so what do you think? Have you used this method before? How is your hair journey? Is everything awesome? Perfect? Is your hair growing? Are you happy with your growth? Or are you just trying to improve on length retention and growth at the same time? Leave any comments in the comments section. Please support the channel by subscribing and liking the video, guys. So that's it. I can't edit, so I have to record from this old computer and then just shoot it out there. So please support so eventually I can get everything together and make more decent videos, like decent quality videos. Okay guys, so that's all I can do so that the video is not overly long. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. Much love. Mwah.